Yoga International Wellness Center welcomes all. Yoga International Wellness Center is the popular online yoga and meditation studio. Many yoga sessions are conducted here. Yoga classes conducted by world-class highly trained Brahmachari master. To watch videos related to health, mental calmness and human life on this channel, subscribe to our channel. 5 surprising things that happen to your body when you don't get enough sleep you should know. Most of the systems in our body are predicated on some process of renewal or need for sleep. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of our thinking, our ability to function, and our immune system. It impacts pretty much everything we need to survive. While you're probably aware of some of the issues, like mental fog, that can arise when you don't get enough rest, you may not be aware that your snoozing habits may impact all sorts of unexpected things. Do you know sleeplessness hurt your immune system? There's a very strong link between sleep and the immune system in general. The body repairs just about every cell in the body when it comes to sleep. Sleep deprivation lowers the body's ability to mount an immune response. Lack of sleep can also lower your immune system's ability to fight tumor cells and lead to the generation of inflammatory cytokines. These proteins are secreted by the immune system and can cause the development of metabolic and cardiovascular disorders. Do you know sleeplessness raises your risk of heart disease? When you are sleep deprived or have fragmented sleep, your blood vessels lose, to some extent, the ability to expand and contract to regulate things. People also tend to be at a higher risk of developing high blood pressure when they don't get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can also increase cholesterol levels and general inflammation throughout your body, leading to the formation of plaque in the blood vessels. When blood vessels start to form plaque, the heart has to work harder. Do you know insomnia can raise your risk of weight gain? People tend to make bad eating decisions when they're tired. People are also typically more sedentary and less likely to work out when they're tired, which also can lead to weight gain. When people were sleep deprived, they ate more and unhealthier snacks between meals. Women who get less sleep tend to weigh more than their better rested counterparts. Do you know insomnia can lower your sex drive? When you're fatigued, your brain prioritizes getting sleep over other things. Other chemicals that are important for sexual performance and arousal, such as oxytocin, can be lowered by sleep deprivation. Do you know insomnia can increase your risk for developing diabetes? There's a direct correlation between lack of sleep and diabetes. Lack of sleep reduces the production of insulin from the pancreas and decreases gluten tolerance. Cells are then less effective at using insulin, and that can lead to the development of diabetes. Practice mindful insomnia yoga session at Yoga International Wellness Center. Here yoga is one such timeless practice that is not only a great stress reliever but also helps in combating symptoms of insomnia, anxiety and depression. Practicing selective yogasanas regularly will not only increase your endurance, help build confidence but also calm the mind, improve mood and gradually thwart off abnormal sleeping habits. Call and book sessions now.
Yoga International Wellness Center offer various yoga sessions like immunity enrichment session, weight loss yoga sessions for women and men, pre-postnatal yoga sessions, kids yoga sessions, arthritis flexibility session, flexibility for anatomy, shoulder neck, joints and back pain relief session, diabetic sessions, hypertension sessions, pranayama session, meditation session, digestive disorders session, depression cure session, insomnia sleep disorders session, respiratory problems, thyroid session, fertility for men and women session, regular yoga sessions, retreat yoga session and special yoga workshop.
Special yoga session for heart ailments in men and women. Special effective weight loss yoga session for men and women with healthy food management. To join, call and book timings